Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you are fine at your home. I am Mrs. Manpreet Kaur, your geography teacher from California Public School. Yes, dear students, today's date is 29 June 2020 and we are doing the revision of 7th class 3rd chapter global warming. And in this video we have to discuss about the ways to reduce the global warming, how we have to reduce the global warming. Global warming and climatic change both have the adverse means bad impact on the sea level, food production, loss in biodiversity, freshwater balance, human health, result in many force in calamities. So which ways we have to use, we have to adopt to reduce the global warming? First one is we have to reduce the emission of carbon dioxide. Emission of carbon dioxide by the cutting down on the use of the fossil fuels means we have to reduce the use of fossil fuels. Next, we have to develop the alternate renewable resources. We have to use the another renewable resources, just such as like a wind, solar energy, hydel energy, biomass. So not to use the gases that pollute our environment. Next, minimize the use of nitrogenous fertilizers in agriculture. At much time we use nitrogen fertilizer too much. That also creates the global warming. So we have to reduce it. We have to find the alternatives of the chlorofluorocarbons. Means instead of chlorofluorocarbon gas we have to use the another gas. We have to plant the more trees. This will increase the utilization of carbon dioxide. So we also find that ways to dispose greenhouse gases from the atmosphere and find the ways to observe the greenhouse gases that are already present in the atmosphere. So if global warming can be reduced only through the international awareness, then companion or the cooperation. So the global warming not only reduced by the one nation, internationally it would be reduced. Internationally it would be reduced. So these are the ways to reduce the global warming. So in this chapter what we have to discuss, firstly, what is a greenhouse? A building whose roof and walls are made up of the transparent glass. So that help in the cold regions to grow the plants, vegetables and the flowers. Next, Earth is a big and it has the envelope of the air, which is a mixture of the gases. So, firstly, greenhouse effect was discovered by the French scientist J.B.J. Fourier in 1827. So, greenhouse gases released by the burning of fossil fuels, deforestation and from industrial units. Rise of the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere causes the increase of the air temperature, and maximum concentration of the ozone we have to find in the stratosphere at the height of 25 to 30 kilometer from the Earth's surface. And near the ground, ozone is harmful for plants, animals and the human beings. So oxygen, ozone, what we observe? Short wave ultraviolet radiation from the sun. And if the thickness of the ozone is less than 2000 DU, then we have to call the ozone hole. So main gas responsible for the depletion and thinning of the ozone layer is the chlorofluorocarbon. And global warming causes this rise in the sea level, melting of ice in the Antarctica. Many cities in the coastal area threatened by the devastating floods. Floods आ सकते हैं global warming से. Temperature increase होगा. ग्लोबल वार्मिंग से काफ़ी मेराइन लाइफ है, टेरेस्ट्रियल लाइफ है, फ्लोरा है, वो disappearance हो रहा है because ocean water temperature would be rise. So global warming से winter season shorten हो रहा है some areas, and modest increase in the global warming beneficial है to the natural world and the human being के लिए. So control हम global warming को कैसे कर सकते हैं? Reduce to emission of the carbon dioxide by reducing the use of the fossil fuels, reduce the use of nitrogenous fertilizer in agriculture, which will reduce the emission of the oxides of the nitrogen. And global warming can be reduced through the international cooperation and awareness companions. So, this is the chapter of the global warming. Hope all of you have listened it carefully and understand after that do the assignment related to this video. So, take care. Bye bye.